Hello students, this is Semfano with Esha Academy, where we teach people in demand tech skills. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and we request that you subscribe, share and like and comment on our videos in order for us to keep on producing similar content. Thank you. Hi, this is question 8C. We are going to continue with our mail match questions. What we're supposed to do now is to merge the documents so that we'll replace these merge fields with the real data that is supposed to go there from our recipient list file. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we are going to start by saving this file. As you can see on the questioning paper, they say that we have to do all these things, okay, and then save as. So we want to start by saving before we do this so that we don't lose our work, okay, so that we maintain our files. So I'm quickly going to click on save file, save as, on this open where I want to save it. Then I'm going to change this to QHC. Then when I change to QHC, I click on save. Then now I have saved as QHC. So I'm now making these changes to QHC. First of all, I have to change at the top there in my header. Then I'm going to go back, go down. Gonna go down here and look at what they said we should do. They said use the merge function of your Word document of your present program and merge the presentations. Change the question. I've done that. Ensure that the footnote number stays the same on all three pages. Okay, so I'm quickly going to merge these ones. So the easiest way to do that, I must be in mail, under mail merge here. Okay, I'm going to continue, write your letter, then I'm going to continue, review your letter, then I'm going to say complete merge. So now I have merged. As you can notice, now we no longer have the data that we used to have here. Okay, we now have the actual data that is coming from our recipient list file. You can scroll to check for other letters. We have 3 letters in this document, so you can actually move and check. As you can see, the recipients are changing, as you can see. Okay, so now the next question, what does it say? The next question says ensure that the footnote number. So let's check out our footnote number. This is our footnote number on letter number 3. It's 1 here and it's also 1 here. On letter number 2, it's also 1 there and it's also 1 here. On letter number 3, 1 is also 1 there and also 1 there. So this is our footnote. So now the next question, insert the following end note in bold 8 point in the 3rd letter after the word virus removal. Okay, so these are the words that we're supposed to insert as an end note. Okay, let me quickly copy this and come and insert my end note. It says after virus removal on the 3rd letter. So you scroll to the 3rd letter, then we look for virus removal. I have found it here, so I click here on virus removal. Then I go back to my references, then I insert end note. So how do I insert my end note? There is insert end note. I'm gonna click here, so it puts my end note there. Okay, so I'm going to just paste that text which I just copied. Okay, and then make sure that the work is actually presentable as it should be. So now I'm gonna highlight this one. It said bold font size 8. Okay, let me check, confirm. It should be bold font size 8. Okay, so that's it. Now this is my end note. Okay, however, my document does not fit all my work. Let me quickly try to make it fit. Okay, because it's supposed to fit in 1 page. Okay, so I'm quickly going to move my table a little bit up, here. Okay, then I'm gonna move this one down now. Okay, it's fine here. So I've got my end note here. I've got my footnote here. This is the document. It's now meshed. Now if I want to print your letters, you can quickly go there. We have make sure that you are under mailings here, and then you can go to finish merge. Then you can go to print documents. Then when you click here, you can select the documents that you want to print. If you are to print all documents, so here in this case you're going to print 3 late documents, or you can print the current one only, or you can select the documents that you want to print from a certain range. Okay, so we want to print all. You click on all, then you click on OK, because the question said print all. Then here you select your printer. Make sure that you select the correct printer that you want to send your document to. Okay, then after selecting your printer, you can also choose the number of copies that you want. Usually we print 1. Then you can also select the pages that you want to print in a document, but in this case we're printing all pages. It's only a 1-page document, so we're going to be printing 3 documents. Okay, so after printing, you click on OK, so it's easily going to print all your letters to the printer, then you collect them. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you are going to subscribe to my channel, press the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos, and also leave a comment where you don't understand, or you need to add something, or you need to make a correction on something. I really would like you to comment on this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video where we talk about labels with mail match. Thank you. Goodbye.